kids, come with me. Let's learn shapes so happily. Big and small, around and straight. Learning shapes is really great. Clap your hands and sing along. Shapes can dance all day long. Panda Teacher leads the way. Let's learn our shapes today. Circle, circle, round and bright, like a ball rolling left and right. Round and round it loves to go. Circle shape says hello. Square, square, sides are four, like a window or a door. Straight and neat from every side. Square stands strong with pride. Triangle has three straight sides, like a mountain tall with pride. Pointy top and steady base. Triangle loves its special place. Rectangle is long and wide, like a book we read inside. Two sides short and two sides long. Rectangle sings this happy song. Star, star, shine so bright. Twinkle softly in the night. Pointy arms and golden glow. Star shape steals the show. Heart, heart, full of love, like kindness from above. Round on top and point below. Heart shape helps love grow. Diamond sparkles in the light. Shiny, shiny, oh so bright. Tilt to square and what do you see? Diamond shape smiling at me. Oval looks like an egg so neat. Round and long, it's such a treat. Almost circle, not quite so. Oval shape says hello. Crescent moon up in the sky, smiling softly way up high. Curved and gentle, glowing white. Crescent shines all through the night. Pentagon has sides of five, strong and steady, so alive. Count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon loves to thrive. Hexagon has sides of 6, like honeycomb with clever tricks. Busy bees know this one well. Hexagon has lots to tell. Octagon has sides of 8. Stop and count, it looks so great. 1, 2, 8, all around. Octagon makes a funny sound. Teardrop falls from clouds above. Raindrops sent with nature's love. Round on top and point below. Teardrop shape begins to flow. Cloud shape fluffy in the sky, floating gently way up high. Soft and puffy, big and white. Clouds are such a lovely sight. Arrow points the way to go. Left or right, it always knows. Sharp and clever, straight and true. Arrow shape can guide you too. Shapes are everywhere you see, big and small for you and me. Thanks for learning here today. Panda waves, hip hip hooray. Circle, square, triangle too. So many shapes for me and you.